start with the frame. I got the Eastern Grim Reaper frame. I got the Chase Hawk Odyssey grips with the King Badger V3 bars. I got the Subaru hold-on stem with the little Odyssey thing and Odyssey director for it. I got the Fly Bite front rim, stock everything. I got this piece of crap tire. Well, I'm fixing to get a new one on my next one. I got the Primo GDH BMX cranks profile, and I got the Shadow pedals, and I got the Demolition spline drive sprocket. And as you can see, there's no bolt, so you have to have a spline drive kind of rip off. But I got a KMC normal chain. I got the nitrous double shot back rim.
Let's hear that hub.
Not that low. And then I got the Duo Road Status seat, which can't get on dance club anymore, so eat it. I got the I don't know what seat post. I traded the late guys by check. And then I got the piece of crap Specialized back tire because mine popped earlier, and it got a ginormous hole from a gay rock. And then I got the DK Social bottom bracket, pretty nice and smooth. I got the piece of crap chrome brake lever, Shag Conspiracy. Well, it used to be linear, but the gay bike shop cut it. Cable, and then I got these fun Avery brake arms with E-clap brake pads. Pretty sick. Yeah, that's my bike check.
Come on, man, let's see a 180. Let's see it.
Tell me about the update.
There'll be an update coming soon.